wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 9 best Underbody Underglow kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. For an eye-catching look that's not over the top, consider the monochromatic xkglow neon, which are available in your choice of blue, amber, green, and more. You can select from solid, breath, and strobe modes from the front seat via the plug-in controller. These come with adhesive and hardware, and they're helpful setup videos online, but they could use longer wires. At number 8, look fancy on the links with the OTP Golf Cart, which is made up of 10 flexible strips that can cover all sides of your vehicle and put on 4 custom light shows. Be aware that a voltage reducer sold separately may be required for the installation. These come with a mountable power switch and 3M double-sided tape. However, the cable length is rather short. Coming in at number 7 on our list. For a stunning single-color effect that will grab the attention of anyone around, look to the LED Mercy XBD. Each of the 10 pieces provides a 120 beam angle to create a wide throw, and they're built for the long haul with an impressive lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. These are shock and dust proof and offer multiple placement options, but they're not as bright as advertised. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the imosontec 8-pod feature durable aluminum housings and extra tough glass, so they can withstand being hit by rocks and other debris that might fly up as you cruise on or off the road. Each piece contains 3 long-lasting LEDs. These are suitable for marine installations and accept a wide range of voltages. However, their Bluetooth connectivity is finicky. Moving up our list to number 5, the 192 total inches of tubing in the xkglow 2nd generation can be programmed to create a rolling light show other drivers will admire and seldom outshine. Working together, the bulbs are capable of producing millions of subtly different colors. These are made from sturdy reinforced polycarbonate with 120 preset programs. They're also available as an interior option. At number 4, with the Oracle 4-piece, you can choose from a multitude of patterns and shift effects right from your smartphone. They wire directly into a 12-volt source and fit any 4x4 Jeep, truck, or off-road vehicle, and come with both flush and curve mounts made of rubber. These feature powder-coated aluminum housings, a wide 150-degree beam angle, and a 2-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Unlike many others, the ultra-thin profile of the XPRIZE Rock makes them extremely easy to hide, and they come with both 3M adhesive and screws for a secure installation. These 8 rectangular pods are also suitable for use in backyards or beneath cabinets. They come with an IP67 waterproof rating and a handy on-off rocker switch. They're a budget-friendly choice too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the OPT7 Aura All Color will add some attitude to your ride. They're guaranteed to fit your SUV, van, or truck, and come with professional mounting hardware to ensure they stay securely in place on rough roads and in all types of weather. These feature a sound-activated mode, 3 fuse tap connectors, and a remote that works from up to 80 feet away. And taking the top spot on our list, the LED Glow Slimline lets you bathe the road beneath your car or truck in light thanks to its 324 ultra-bright bulbs. It's easy to operate either via the dash-mounted control box or with the handy wireless Fobstar remote. It's made with water-resistant tubing and includes a 6-foot power cable and lifetime technical support. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video.